Rock and roll.
Saxton, never say rock and roll again. I beg you.
Why?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Gold Coast, Australia, one half of the Toni Storm.
Toni Storm is a superstar who certainly moves to the beat of her own drum.
Well, that's your way of saying she's absolutely deluded herself into thinking she's actually some kind of rock star, then yeah, I 100% agree with you, Cole.
It's not, but thanks, Corey.
Hey, I'll call her a rock star. The WWE Universe goes crazy when she competes. This is her house.
And from Norwich, England, Paige!
Paige has carved her own path, blazed her own trail, answered to nobody that she didn't want to. Paige is truly a revolutionary in WWE.
Guys, remember on Raw a few years ago when Paige made her WWE debut and won the Women's Championship?
A truly unforgettable night, not only for Paige, but the entire WWE Universe. Paige has revolutionized the game since that very night.
And it was that night where we began the transformation from the Divas Revolution to the Women's Evolution. The young Brit Paige, always ready to bring the fight to her opponents, always ready to let them know that this is, in fact, her house. And let's not discount Toni Storm, whose mix of in-ring styles makes her such a complete superstar, such a force to be reckoned with.
Yeah, you can't sleep on Toni Storm, and I can't imagine anyone who sets foot in the ring with her would do so either. But at least not if they want to win.
There's the crucifix, nicely done. Paige is wreaking all sorts of havoc. She's taken command of the situation. Float over neck breaker.
Picture perfect.
Look at this. Boom, nice. That offense taking a toll on her.
Yeah, but too soon to be worried.
Oh, solid contact there.
Paige is obviously an accomplished superstar and so technically sound in the ring, but Corey, is there any chance Paige's opponent can outshine her in the mental game, perhaps, to turn the momentum in their favor instead?
Well, Paige has been wrestling since she was 13 years old, so she's seen every trick in the book firsthand. Trying to play mind games is the last thing anyone should try with Paige, because Paige can play them even better.
This is Paige's house, and her opponent would be better off acknowledging that. German suplex. Paige has all the confidence in the world, which is probably why she's so successful. Hooked up. Oh, shin breaker. Elbow drop. Piercing. She'll need some serious recovery time after this.
She's tough, but maybe not tough enough to get the win here.
What are we gonna see here? Hung up on the second rope. Neck breaker. That's how you wear down your opponent. The cloverleaf. She's got her where she wants her. Amazingly, she works her way free.
Cole, there may be no beating her here tonight.
She's got to remember to get back in the ring before the referee's 10 count. Bringing it back into the ring. For the first time tonight, Paige wants to take a chance. Incoming. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
Boom. Super kick.
Paige is really going to work in there. She has become relentless at this point. Ooh, that kick.
Big boot.
Jeez.
Paige with the excellent move to get out.
Really just laying it in.
That no.
Gutbuster! Evisceration. It's Paige answering back.
A rolling elbow. We're seeing an unbelievable performance in front of us.
And how these competitors are still surviving is beyond explanation. Reverses, can she take advantage?
Oh, straight forearm.
Not sure Paige should be quite so animated here.
Just carrying the opposition here. Oh, God, face first. Saw that one coming. Look at this. Boom. Nice. For the second time, Paige heads for the top rope.
From the top.
Oh, able to counter.
Paige with the excellent move to get out.
Suplex.
Cover. Two. Close call. She's in full control now.
Sidewalk slam.
Now in full control. Oh, trying to dislocate the shoulder. Two. Near fall after near fall. What a battle. Paige doing a little showing off here.
Going for the ride.
The fall-away slam. What, again? Paige, look out.
She is just too quick.
Got out of the way in a hurry.
Uh-oh, look out.
She scores big with the counter.
Crucifix head scissors.
Paige stumbling some now.
She still has a lot of time to recover, though.
And Paige manages to reverse out of that one.
Page turner.
Defenseless in the corner now.
All the way up and around the world.
So agile. Escapes in a nick of time. Got to be careful not to get counted out here. Right in the jaw. Taking it to the midsection.
These attacks to the core are clearly having an effect here, Cole.
There it is.
Hurricane Rana. Look at Paige stalking her.
Not what she was looking for.
Caught. Dragon screw.
The volume in this building has increased exponentially. The fans are willing these...
Here we go again.
Rampage.
Sent a message with that one. Paige can draw the curtains on this fight.
Oh, here it comes.
Paige. Paige letting loose. Nobody can match up with this woman when she's on a roll like this. Nobody. Uh-oh. Uh-oh is right.
Oh, this is going to be painful. Looking for the Scorpion crosslock.
The Paige tap out. This might be it.
And Paige is your winner.
Here is your winner, Paige!
And she picks up the win. That may have been one of the most dominant performances I've seen in a very long time.
I think I can safely speak for all of us when I say that was an amazing contest.